Howdy, my name is Brian. I'm one of the Venture Camp counselors. Today we're going to be talking about some of the things that you can bring to Venture Camp. We're going to be talking about your camping essentials, the clothing you need to bring, some optional gear, and also the gear that we're going to provide as outdoor adventures. Let's get right to it.
Howdy, my name is Miley, and this is my bag. So this is my pack. Normally I'd bring a duffel bag large enough to fit all of your stuff, and then I'd also bring a small day pack. It shouldn't be a purse or anything like that, something bigger like a backpack, something like that. Mine comes with a water bladder, and I'd also bring my water bottle along as well. So for clothing, I like to pack all of my clothes in Ziploc bags. It keeps them organized and together. So like this, I labeled day 1, and that it'll have all the clothes that I'm gonna wear on the first day. I also suggest packing extra clothes, and that you're gonna be hot and sweaty, and some days you're gonna come back and kind of want to change into new outfits. So I have an extra bag that has my extra clothes in it, including a long sleeve shirt for the kayaking day to protect me from the sun. For the climbing day, especially for girls, that harness does kind of like cinch up like around your legs and around your thighs. I advise to wear longer shorts or leggings, something that isn't gonna like roll up or come up while your harness is there.
Remember, it's okay to pack more than you think you'll need, but just try not to overpack like silly Sammy. Hey guys, now I'm going to tell you about the equipment that we'll be providing for your Venture Camp stay. We will provide your climbing and your paddling gear, cooking utensils for all your meals, and a sleeping pad and a tent. We will not be providing a sleeping bag or a pillow, so please make sure that you pack those. So we will also not be providing headlamps, so please make sure that you bring some kind of device to help you see at night because it will be dark and we are camping. Also, please pack batteries. Thanks!
Why are you sitting here in the dark?
Well, I forgot my sleeping bag, my pillow, and my extra batteries for my headlamp.
I guess somebody didn't read the packing list. Bring a water bottle that can be tied to a boat with rope or carabiner. Make sure to bring sunscreen because we will be outside a lot. And Ziploc bags to help keep your cash, ID, and insurance information private.
There are some other items that you might want to bring, including a journal, some sort of reading material, a speaker for music, or some sports equipment that you can play with, or just things you can do during downtime.
You may also want to bring a trash bag for your dirty and wet clothes at the end of the trip. Also, some people prefer to use medicated powder whenever you get sweaty to dry up the sweat and make yourself more comfortable. And remember, we'll be camping on this trip, so charging may be limited. For more information, check out the packing list that will be sent soon, and most importantly,
Don't forget your sunscreen!